What I'm about to reveal will change everything you thought you knew about your spiritual journey. If you're seeing this video, it's no coincidence. The universe has been orchestrating a divine symphony, and you, dear chosen one, are an integral note in this celestial composition. Today, we stand on the brink of a monumental shift, a transformation that will ripple through the fabric of existence itself. This is your moment to awaken, to listen to the silent whispers of your soul, inviting you to step into a new era of spiritual enlightenment. You are not alone. Across the vast landscapes of the United States, the rolling hills of the United Kingdom, and the majestic expanses of Canada, there are countless others like you, spiritually sensitive, seekers of truth, bearers of light. We are calling for unity, a gathering of souls who feel the tremors of change beneath their feet. As you watch, let your heart resonate with the energy of this moment. Comment 77 below, a sacred number that signifies spiritual alignment and unity, a digital resonance that echoes through the ether, connecting you with a community of awakened souls. This is more than just a video, it's a call to action, a clarion call to prepare for a divine transformation that will touch the very core of our existence. Feel the energy, embrace the anticipation, for this is the beginning of a profound awakening. A call to the chosen ones, to you, to unite in spirit, to stand together, and to prepare for the unfolding of a new chapter in the cosmic story. You are here because you are meant to be here. Together, we will explore the mysteries of this divine shift and unlock the potential that lies within us all. Can you feel it? The air is charged with an unseen energy, a force that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. The divine storm is approaching, a celestial event unlike any other, an unstoppable force set to impact every soul on Earth. This is not just an event, it is a transformative experience, one that will humble the proud and elevate the forgotten. Imagine standing at the edge of a great ocean, the winds of change whipping around you as the first drops of rain begin to fall. This is the divine storm, a global recalibration that will urge us all to stand in awe and readiness. In this storm, there is no room for fear, only reverence. It is a powerful move of the divine, a cosmic dance that will sweep across the lands, touching every heart, awakening every soul. The proud will be humbled, for this is a time when material wealth and earthly status will fade into insignificance. Instead, the forgotten, the meek, the humble will rise, elevated by the grace of this divine intervention. You, chosen one, are being called to witness and participate in this majestic unfolding. The divine storm is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. As the winds blow and the rain falls, the barriers that separate us will dissolve, leaving only unity and love. It is a call to let go of the old, to release the fears and doubts that have held us back, and to embrace the new with open hearts and minds. Feel the storm's approach not as a threat, but as a promise of renewal, of rebirth, of a new dawn that will break upon the horizon. As you stand in the eye of this storm, let it cleanse you, let it wash away all that no longer serves your highest purpose. This is a sacred moment, a divine opportunity to realign your life with the true essence of your being. The storm will test you, but it will also transform you, opening your eyes to the limitless possibilities that await. Embrace it, for this is your destiny. In the midst of this divine storm, find your center, your peace. Stand firm in the knowledge that you are part of something greater, something beautiful and profound. Let the storm inspire you to be a beacon of light, a vessel of love, guiding others through the darkness. This is the time to awaken, to rise, and to be the change you wish to see in the world. Together, we will ride the waves of this divine transformation, emerging stronger, wiser, and more connected than ever before. The divine storm is here, chosen one, and it is time to unleash the unstoppable force within you. Embrace it with courage and faith, for this is your moment to shine. In the stillness of your soul, there lies a spark waiting to be ignited, a flame that has the power to illuminate the darkest corners of the world. You, dear chosen one, are called to be a vessel of fire, a carrier of the divine flame that will light the path for those lost in the shadows. As you journey deeper into this spiritual awakening, remember that your heart is the furnace where this sacred fire resides, ready to be kindled by the breath of God. The role of the chosen ones is not one of passivity, but of active participation in the unfolding of divine plans. Those whose hearts are open and spirits are alert will feel the stirring within, the awakening of a greater purpose. Will you be ready to carry the sacred fire when the time comes? Will you be bold enough to stand in the midst of darkness and shine with unwavering light? Prepare yourself, for the flames of transformation are spreading, engulfing all who are willing to embrace the call. Let go of the old ways, the fears that bind you, and step into the fire with courage and faith. As you become a vessel of fire, know that you are not alone. The flame that burns within you is connected to the eternal fire that lights up the cosmos. You are a part of a grand design, a cosmic tapestry woven with threads of love and light. Embrace this calling, chosen one. Embrace the fire that burns within you, for it is a sign of your readiness to carry the divine flame. Let it purify you, let it guide you, and let it lead you to heights you never thought possible. The time has come to awaken the fire within and shine brightly in a world that so desperately needs your light. Prepare yourself, for the journey ahead will be challenging, but the rewards will be beyond measure. As you walk this path of fire, remember that you are not alone. Your fellow chosen ones stand beside you, their flames flickering in the darkness, creating a tapestry of light that illuminates the way forward. Together, we will carry the divine flame, igniting the hearts of all who seek truth and love. This is our purpose, our destiny, to be vessels of fire in a world hungry for the warmth of God's love. Embrace it, chosen one, for you are destined for greatness. In the stillness of the night, when the world sleeps and dreams take flight, there is a whisper in the wind, a prophecy unfolding, a cosmic realignment that positions the world in accordance with God's divine agenda. The prophetic shift is upon us, dear chosen ones, urging us to align ourselves with the eternal plans that have been set in motion since the dawn of time. This shift is not just a change in direction, but a transformation of the very fabric of reality itself. As you gaze upon the horizon, feel the energies shifting, the cosmic tides ebbing and flowing in perfect harmony. This is the time to realign your life with the higher purpose that has been written in the stars, to embrace the prophetic shift that will guide you towards your true destiny. The world is changing, dear chosen one, and you are being called to change with it, to evolve, to grow, to become the embodiment of God's divine will. Do not fear the unknown, for the prophetic shift is a promise of a brighter future, a world where love reigns supreme and truth is the guiding light. It is a call to step out of the shadows of doubt and into the radiance of faith, knowing that every step you take is ordained by the hand of God. Embrace this shift with open arms, for it is a gift, a chance to realign your heart with the heartbeat of the universe, to dance in rhythm with the cosmic symphony that plays all around you. As you journey through this prophetic shift, remember that you are not alone. The universe is conspiring in your favor, aligning the stars to guide you towards your highest purpose. Trust in the process, trust in the unfolding of divine plans, and know that you are part of something greater than yourself. Embrace the shift, dear chosen one, for it is leading you towards a future filled with promise and possibility. The time is now to realign with eternal plans and walk boldly into the destiny that awaits you. As the winds of change continue to blow and the waves of transformation crash upon the shores of our existence, we are called to embrace the concept of divine acceleration. In this time of rapid change and swift movement, we must be prepared to keep pace with the unfolding of God's plans. This is a moment of urgency, a time when delayed dreams are coming to fruition almost instantly. Feel the energy building, the momentum growing as we hurtle towards our divine destinies. Embrace the swift move of heaven as it propels us forward into a future filled with promise and possibility. This is not a time to hesitate or doubt, but to trust in the speed of God's grace as it carries us towards our highest potential. Let go of the past, release the chains that bind you, and step into the flow of divine acceleration with confidence and faith. Know that every moment is an opportunity for growth, every challenge a stepping stone towards greatness. Embrace the swift move of heaven, dear chosen one, and let it carry you towards the fulfillment of your wildest dreams. In this season of divine transformation, we are bathed in the abundance of grace, the unmerited favor of God pouring out upon us like a gentle rain. This grace empowers us to overcome past struggles, to rise above our limitations, and to seize new opportunities that await us on the horizon. It is a gift, freely given, that opens doors we never thought possible. Embrace this new grace, dear chosen one, and let it wash over you like a healing balm. Feel its gentle touch, its comforting presence, as it lifts you up and carries you towards the fulfillment of your deepest desires. This is a time of renewal, of rebirth, of stepping into the fullness of who you were always meant to be. With grace as your guide, with love as your compass, you can navigate the twists and turns of life with confidence and courage. Embrace the unmerited favor of God, dear chosen one, and let it lead you towards a future filled with hope and possibility. The opportunities are endless, the blessings abundant. Reach out and claim them as your own. As we stand on the threshold of a new era, a new chapter in the cosmic story, we are called to step out with boldness and courage. Like Joshua leading the Israelites into the promised land, we must be strong and courageous, trusting in the path that God has laid before us. This is a time to transcend fear and doubt, to walk into the unknown with faith as our guide. Do not be afraid, dear chosen one, for you are not alone. The hand of God is upon you, guiding you, protecting you, leading you towards a future filled with promise and purpose. Step boldly into the unknown, knowing that every step you take is ordained by the divine will. Trust in the process, trust in yourself, and know that you are capable of achieving great things. Embrace the challenges that lie ahead with courage and conviction, for they are the stepping stones towards your highest potential. Let go of the past, release the fears that hold you back, and walk forward with confidence and faith. This is your moment to shine, dear chosen one, to step into the fullness of who you were always meant to be. Be bold, be courageous, and watch as the universe opens doors you never thought possible. In this time of unprecedented spiritual awakening, we are reminded that the move of God is inclusive, universal, and all-encompassing. It is a revolution for all, a pouring out of the Spirit that transcends boundaries of age, wealth, and status. God's love knows no limits, no boundaries. It is for everyone, everywhere, at all times. As we witness this global awakening, let us remember that we are all connected, all part of a greater whole. The Spirit is being poured out universally, inviting us to partake in this divine transformation, to be the change we wish to see in the world. Embrace this awakening, dear chosen one, and let it inspire you to rise up and become a beacon of light in a world that so desperately needs your love. Together, we can create a world filled with compassion, kindness, and unity. Let us stand together, hand in hand, heart in heart, as we usher in a new era of peace and harmony. This is our time, our moment to shine, to be the change we wish to see in the world. Embrace the global awakening, dear chosen one, and let it guide you towards a future filled with hope, purpose, and transformation. Dear chosen ones, as we come to the end of this journey together, remember that you are not alone. You are part of a community of awakened souls, united in spirit and purpose. This is a moment to rise, to embrace the divine transformation that is unfolding within and around you, to be a living testimony of God's power, grace, and purpose. I urge you to like, comment, and share this message, spreading the fire of divine transformation to all who seek hope, purpose, and transformation. Let us walk hand in hand into this new era, fully alive and ready to change the world. This is our time, our moment to shine, to be the light in the darkness, the love in a world hungry for compassion. As you go forth from this moment, remember that you are a vessel of fire, a carrier of the divine flame that will light the path for those lost in the shadows. Embrace your calling, dear chosen one, and let your light shine brightly in a world that so desperately needs your love. Rise, embrace, and share the fire, for you are destined for greatness, for you are a chosen one, called to be a beacon of hope in a world that so desperately needs your light.